Today I stay at home. I do not need to go. I wake up feeling calm. I take my time and slow. I open up the window. I let the sunlight in. Staying home feels peaceful. A quiet day begins.
I do not feel in a rush. I move in a soft way. Staying at home today helps me enjoy the day.
I am staying at home.
I feel relaxed and free.
I am staying at home.
Just being myself is key.
I am staying at home.
My mind feels clear and light. Staying at home today feels simple and right.
I drink a cup of water. I make some tea or bread. I sit down at the table. Clear thoughts inside my head. I listen to soft music. I read a little more. Staying home gives me time I did not have before.
No noise and no hurry, no pressure on my mind. Staying at home today is gentle and kind.
I am staying at home.
I feel relaxed and free.
I am staying at home.
Just being myself is key.
I am staying at home.
My mind feels clear and light. Staying at home today feels simple and right.
I clean a little corner. I move things nice and slow. I feel calm and focused. I enjoy the gentle flow. I take short little breaks. I stretch and breathe with care. Staying home helps me feel balanced and aware.
Staying at home is not about doing nothing. It helps me hear my thoughts and feel something.
I learn to slow my pace and listen to my needs. A quiet day at home is all my heart needs. I am staying at home.
I feel relaxed and free.
I am staying at home.
Just being myself is key.
I am staying at home.
My mind feels clear and light. Staying at home today feels simple and right.
The day moves very softly. The light begins to fade. I feel calm and thankful for the choices that I made. I smile and feel peaceful as evening comes along. Staying at home today helped me feel strong. I turn off all the lights. I rest my tired mind. Staying at home today was gentle, slow and kind.